Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Call.com scheduling platform. It is a platform that is beginner friendly and easy to use and is perfect for persons that want to cut out the fuss of online scheduling. So the first thing you will need to do is go onto Call.com, and from there you can tap on sign up. After selecting sign up, you can create an account using your email address. Then you'll be redirected to a page just like this, and you can enter in your suggested URL. You can also enter in your full name and choose your time zone. Then you'll tap on next step. After selecting the next step, you'll be prompted to connect your calendar, whether it is a Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Apple Calendar. You'll be able to quickly integrate it on Call.com. Or you can scroll down and select I'll connect my calendar later. After doing that, you can also connect your favorite video apps, whether it is Google Meet or Zoom. You can connect it quite quickly. Then you will tap on setup, but I'm going to be tapping on setup later now. Then you can set your availability. So these are basically the time slots that you'll be available. So all you'll need to do is tap on the time that is there. For example, Monday will be available from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So we can set that up right there. After you have toggled it on, you can continue setting up each section. So let me go back. So I'll set it up right here from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can see it right there, and you can change the time for each day. Then you'll tap on next step. After selecting next step, you can upload your profile photo, and you can also add in something in the about section. Then you'll tap on finish. After selecting finish, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. So this is how your dashboard looks at the moment. Now, to edit it, you can start off by going over to the top left hand corner and tap on booking. And this is how your dashboard looks. Now, the first thing you will need to do is add your services. To do that, you're going to tap on event types in the top left hand corner. Then for example, we can change this one, which is 30-minute meeting. You can tap right there, and you could change the title to something else. Then after doing that, you can add in your description, and you can scroll down and you could change the duration if you want, or you could allow Booker to select duration by toggling that on, so they'll be able to set the duration. You can also choose the location, whether it is in person or virtual, or you would like to have a link meeting. You can tap right there and you could get the link. So there are numerous options that you can choose from. Once you're finished doing that, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on availability, and you can set the time that you will be available for this particular meeting. So you can see the work hours, so you'll leave it at default. Then after doing that, you can tap on limits, and then you'll be able to set up the buffer time, and you can also edit all of the other features you see here. If you would like this meeting to be a recurring meeting, you could tap on recurring, and then from there you will be able to set up recurring meeting by simply toggling this on. After doing that, you can choose whether it repeats every week, every year, every month. You can choose that right there. Once you are finished doing that, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After you have selected save, you can copy the link and you can share it, or you can tap on the preview icon right there to see how it looks. So this is how the booking page will look. So once on the page, they can select the date. Then from there, they'll also be able to select the time. Then they'll input their email address and additional notes and tap on confirm. And that's it. That's how they'll be able to book your services. And you can continue adding more services by going back. You could tap on new in the top right hand corner, and you could create a new event type, and you can enter in the necessary information right there. For example, how long you would like the service to be, and so on. To view your bookings, you'll tap on bookings from the top left hand corner, and you'll be able to view upcoming bookings. You can also go over to the top left hand corner and tap on teams, and from here you'll be able to add team members if you want by tapping on create team. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button